How to find channels on Telegram. Hey guys, let's get started. Telegram channels are the tools for spreading information or files to unlimited number of members. So if you want to search for a channel, it is quite simple. First of all, open your Telegram application and tap on the search icon. Now you have to type in the name of the channel that you want to join, or you could just use some of the keywords. This way, you will find any of the channel that you can join by tapping on the join button. Once the request is approved by the admin, you are now the member or subscriber to the channel. Likewise, the next step would also be searching for it on the browser. Open any of your browser and search for the keyword channel name as well as the Telegram channel mentioned. This way you will see a list of channels by that name. Just tap on it, or you could just copy the name and the ID to get it or link it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.